this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. We've done over 3,200 reviews to date, and yeah, so how you doing? It's Memorial Day over here, so I'm sure it's not for you. Let me get started. What are we doing today? This is one that I reviewed a long time ago, and it was review number 321. Little Cook spicy beef flavor. Now, this is made by Little Cook Thailand. There's Little Cook Taiwan as well. But check out this lid. See that? Right, oh, I don't know. There. That word, new. Last time I reviewed this was in 2011, folks, and guess what? It said new. And that's not the first time I've seen that happen in the instant noodle world. It's kind of funny. Anyways, let's get on with it. Where's that line? Right there, huh? Alright. Line. There you go. And you add in the dry sachet currently. Oh, Miles is getting all rowdy out there. Okay. And then there's still hot water left in here, and what you're supposed to do is you cover this. So what we'll do is we'll just cover that, like with that lid. And then you're supposed to put this on top. That just isn't gonna cut it. It's too thick. So I'm just gonna throw this in with that water. And it's 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna give these noodles 4 minutes. So there we go. That pouch down a little bit. Ooh, man. Won't be a cursing episode. Ooh. I pushed it down and water just splashed up around it, got on my pinky. That burned. I bet there'll be a bubble. Oh boy, blister to pop. Yeah. So, my big news of the day is that it's been exactly 1 month since I went to the doctor, and they said that I lost 65 pounds. Well, we have a scale, and I don't trust it, but it's kind of like poll numbers, you know? If they're good, you'll take it. If they're crappy, no, there's something wrong with it. Well, it spit it out in kilograms, so I translated it or converted it on Google, and it says originally I was 365, I know, right? Then I went to the doctor and I was 300. Now it says I'm 285. So. Which would be kind of in line with stuff, because when I click complete, like in MyFitnessPal, there's a button that says complete food journaling for the day, right? It calls it a food diary, but whatever. And anyways, yeah, so I click that, and usually it'll say I'm around, like, in 5 weeks, if every day were like today, you'd be this much, or this much, or this much. Well, it's been 4, and I'm at 285, and I would say on average, it says in 5 weeks, I'll be 280. So I don't know if I'm going to lose 5 pounds in a week. I kind of tend to doubt that, but hey, I'll take losing 15 pounds in a month. Jeez, who wouldn't? So, actually, it was 286. It was 285.96, so 286. But all it means is that I got to buy pants more often. Eventually, that'll stop. But yeah, Walked around the house all day or all morning. Already burned 1,000 calories. Haven't really had much to eat but vitamins and 2 Cheez-Its. And yeah, now I'm going to do a mukbang. That's how I'm going to roll it today. So, which is alright. It's not like I do that every day. It's Memorial Day. It's celebration. And I did the video for my my diet video, what I eat every night usually. So I already have dinner done. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Went up to Canada yesterday, walked around Stanley Park in Vancouver. That place is awesome. They have like speakers in the park. Like they're playing music. They were playing like, what were they playing? They were playing like the Stones and Wings. I was like, wow, I'm in Canada. This is kind of neat. Yeah. You go to a park around here, man. Closed after this time. Be quiet, blah, blah, blah. But then again, that park, Stanley Park, closes at 5. Everything closes at 5 in Canada, yo. I don't understand. It's like, it's Saturday. Why? No, yesterday was Sunday. We tried going on Saturday, but we got like 40 miles up and we were like already an hour and a half invested into driving. It was like, whoa, forget it. It's people going up for Memorial Day. So we'll try tomorrow, and we did, and the border was not as bad. Yeah. It would have taken us like 4 hours each way yesterday or on Saturday. We were just like, no. So check this puppy out. This is a retort pouch in a Thai instant noodle by a Taiwanese company in the US. I bought this at Wajimaya in Bellevue, Washington. And I'm sure that's where I got it the first time I had it. So I'm pretty jazzed on that. So if you want to know the wonder and beauty of a retort pouch, granted it doesn't have meat in it, it has TVP. What is TVP, you ask? Textured vegetable protein. So it's got fake meat in it. We'll see how it goes. I like TVP, to be honest. I've had some TVP recently that I couldn't tell the difference. But let's see if I can get it. Oh, that smells good. That smells like spicy braised beef. I'm totally down with that. Alright. See? There's your TVP. So it's made out of like soy. But this is the spicy noodle mukbang I'm gonna do. Alright, so let's get Rotato out. Actually, what I'm gonna do first, dump this pan out. Take out this fork. Yeah, no wonder I gave it a high score. That's totally up my alley. Yeah, the last time I had this, I gave it 4.75 stars? I guess I really liked it, but there might have been attributes about it I didn't. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's peer inside the bowl. Yeah. There we go. Let's get everything copacetic so you can see it all. We can Rotato it up. Oh. Alrighty then. Are you ready? Alright, cool. Well, hey, time to go do a mukbang. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.